How to install Google TV app on iPhone. It is very easy. First of all, open your App Store and then from here get to the search page by simply tapping on this icon right here. And then you can simply tap on the search bar right here and then start typing Google TV. Now you can simply tap on this icon and search for it. And in here you can see this is the Google TV. Tap on it. And now here you need to tap on the get option right here. Then the verification of your ID will be required. So either there will be the option of verifying your Face ID or putting down the password of your Apple ID, or you can also verify with your fingerprint. Simply tap on it and then you'll need to double click on your power button. And just like this, after verification, the download process has begun. Within few minutes, here you can see, we have successfully downloaded Google TV on our iPhone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.